Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tracking number in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, I'm just going to the orders so we can see that I already have the tracking informations here in my WooCommerce. And basically to have this tracking shipment, you will need to have a plugin for this. So you can just simply go to your WooCommerce plugins, and after that, we will need just to go to our plugins. And the plugins that I added that give me this one is called the shipment tracking for WooCommerce. You can simply go and type shipments tracking, and let's have a new plugin. And from here, we will need just to type shipments tracking, and it will give us these plugins. And as you can see, there are many tools or plugins for uh, shipment tracking. And all you need to do is now to go to your orders, and after that, or after that you have activated your plugin, you will be needing just to go to your order and click on add tracking info. And from here, you will be needing just to track the number or add the tracking number. For example, I'm just going to click this one, and you can also give a shipping provider that you have, or no, some any shipping provider, and you will need just to click on fulfill order. And you can either have it as completed or whatever you like. And now you will need to have a provider, and of course you will be needing to add these things. And basically, if you want to have any settings, you can just go to shipments tracking, and from here you can start uh, adding some settings from here, like shipping carriers, some integration if you would like, or settings like for order status, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.